You know those moments when learners ask,
How can I remember all of these new words?
well, today I want to share a fantastic tip, and it actually came from one of the brilliant teachers in the Next Step program. Thanks, Daniela. We were talking about ways for learners to remember vocabulary, and she mentioned the Cambridge Online Learners Dictionary. This is it, and you probably know it already for reliable definitions and clear examples. But here's the bit that not everyone knows. If your learners create a free account, they can make their own word lists and even test themselves on those words. It's honestly brilliant. They can organise the vocabulary by topic or by lesson, whatever suits them, and then quiz themselves right there in the site. The word lists are downloadable to an Excel sheet too. It's such a simple way to help learners become more independent instead of just forgetting new words after class. It means they're building habits that actually stick. And it's not only for your learners either. Why don't you make your own account? It's a really useful way of keeping track of the new vocabulary you teach each lesson. You can make a new folder for each different class, and you could use the download feature to get a word list every few lessons, and then put that in ChatGPT and ask for a quiz on the words. Great for revision. So if you're looking for an easy win that helps learners own their vocabulary and helps you keep on top of what you've taught them, check it out. It's completely free.